place definitely gave us a lot of ideas. You can see all of the example of design brands that we got to look through.
And everything's perfectly curated.
Jason from ApparelWin brought us Vague Studios. And I mean, this place was amazing because we got to see references for all different blank styles and colorways. So for upcoming seasons, we can compare everything. And then in the back, they have a bunch of reference designer brands, every brand you can think of. So we brought a bunch of reference pieces here from our brand and other brands. We wanted to find examples of and match to market. And then we also found new examples from designers that we can pick from and find the colors and the exact washes and fabrics. So I think it was a cool experience. There was some like Balenciaga shirts.
Found some good
Some cool
fabrics,
archive pieces.
good ideas for different applications and things like that. But now we're gonna go head to, what was the fabric store called? The biggest one.
fabric
That's
market.
how I know it. The biggest in the world. So we're gonna go check that out. And
But I mean, this place definitely gave us a lot of ideas for what we want to do in the future. Different knitwear, different styles we weren't even thinking about before. Sweaters, jackets, and everything. So over there you can see all of the example of designer brands and what we got to look through. So it was a good experience. It's a good, like, this was the first stop we had on this trip.
Yeah. And everything's just
Your
like,
clothes here.
And everything's perfectly curated. And I like how much effort's been put into it.
Yeah, they shut the whole place. This is a Sunday. Yeah, this is a Sunday when they usually wouldn't do this, but they shut it down and had it just for us so we could spend all the time we wanted here. Alright, thank you, Jason.
thank you.
My pleasure. Which one is
back.
your favorite? You get any fabric or fabric
That
style?
Balenciaga shirt, the pink Balenciaga shirt was nice. And then that waffle, the zip up, where it was just normal on the outside and the waffle on the inside. I think that one was really cool too.
Yeah.
And they had the meeting room here. We didn't even use it really, but we left this up. We got it.
Oh,
we forgot our stuff in the meeting room.
nice. Yeah, the meeting.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Okay, then let's go. Okay.